I've been gone for too long, I think it's time we bring it back. I've been gone for too long, I think it's time we bring it back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. And that's on what? Period. So yeah, I know I've been going for a minute. I think I haven't uploaded a YouTube video in like 3 weeks, but I'm back, y'all. I'm back for good now. No more breaks. All gas, no breaks. Seriously. But today, I know y'all been wanting me to do a finger wave tutorial so bad. I actually have a finger wave tutorial up already, but at that time I had blonde hair and my roots were growing in, so my hair wasn't completely permed, so it was like not crispy as it could be. But today, hair is freshly permed, freshly washed. You know the vibes. You see it. You see it. Don't act like you don't see it, sweetie. Yeah, you like what you see. So let's get into the video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is back, but let me show y'all how I do my finger waves, because I know y'all been wanting to know. So let's get into it, so we all can have finger waves and we could be those finger waves girlies. My whole head is relaxed, everything is good. So part 2 with the black hair or whatever. These are the 4 main things that I use for my hair. You can use any foam, but I preferably use the Nairobi foam. It's $6 in Miami and it's like $20 in Cali, which was wild to me. Well, it's actually $9 in Miami and like $20 in Cali, which was still wild to me because it's like, why it's so expensive? But then again, it makes sense because Miami has more money than Cali, I guess, and Cali needs more funds. Beyond me. Anyway, so yeah, first we need the Nairobi, and then we need a comb. You could use a rat tail comb, or you can use one of these combs like this, but the side we're going to be using is the thin side. That's why I say you can use a rat tail comb as well. And then we're going to need rapid styling strips. You can get this from any hair store. I don't know if Walmart probably do have it, but I'm not sure if Walmart is canceled or not. So just go to your local beauty supply. You're going to need a blow dryer, of course. And then you're gonna need a spray bottle. Now this spray bottle is broken. As if you were on my live, you know this spray bottle is broken. I don't know why it doesn't spray out anymore, but nonetheless, you need a spray bottle for water. I'm gonna just pour this in my hand and put it in. So let's get into the video. But first, you gotta wet your hair up. Your hair can be either damp or wet, but I like mine to be wet because I feel like everything just moves better when it's wet. And when I say wet, I mean like drenched. Just popped out the shower. But I actually did wash my hair so I can do this. Now, just comb your hair back to make sure there ain't no lumps and nothing like that in your hair. So this could be a smooth and easy process. And this usually take me, when I first started, it took me like 15 minutes to an hour roughly, but now it really don't take that long. I'm gonna say it take me a good 30-45 minutes the most if I'm being extra to do my hair. So yeah, you go pretty fast. Yes, you can part your hair on your right or your left. I do my part on my left side because I don't know, I just feel like it looks better to me. So let me do my part on my left side. And then comb it over. So comb the back down, make sure everything flat down, because that's how you're gonna do the waves. Comb this down, because this part is so important, this little piece right here, because it's usually the first thing that people see when they see you have finger waves or whatever. So let me put some more water right here because it's a little dry. I'm a savage. Alright, we start section by section. So we get the foam, we start in this section first. Alright, you start with this part of the comb, this side with the thin sides or whatever. You put it this way, flat on your head. Do y'all see how it is on my head? So comb it down so it won't be clumpy when you do the wave. Then you're gonna drag it from that part, starting from that part, you're gonna drag it forward. You're gonna go down a little bit. You're gonna drag it back. like a C going backwards. Drag it down again. Come forward. C. Back again. Then, depending on how big or small you want them to be, this is fine. Right here, and then this little piece right here that usually be left out, I usually just do a little, like I'm doing like my edges or something. But nonetheless, this is good right here. Now this, I don't know, I think I want to do it a little smaller, but nonetheless, this is him. Look. I think I should go back and do it smaller, or this is good. Let's do it smaller. I want it smaller. Alright, so good. Since I want it smaller, y'all can see another demo. Get some more foam. Put the foam on there. Comb it down. Start from here. Alright, so remember, come forward, go around C. When you hit that back, go around C. Hit that back, go around C, then you on the edge. Alright, start from the part. And then you fix it up in the fronts so that the C's can be defined, like how I'm doing. It's just like when you're doing your edges, but just imagine your edges is all over your head. Just like that. And then this part is not back no more, so we're gonna swoop it going front this way. So when you finish that part like that, I usually come in the front and grab a little bit of edges right here so I can swoop one going forward this way, like this. And push that back. Alrighty, now we got our swoop in the front, finger waves on the side. Now, this gonna be the hardest part for most of y'all. So the back, we're gonna do 3 sections. This is gonna be section 1, section 2, and section 3. Section 1 will be the easiest, section 3 will be the hardest. So, like we said, grab it with this part of the comb. That's the thin side. Comb it down.
Okay, so for the back, you're going to connect it to that side part. So depending on whichever way your waves is going on the side, that's the way you'll start off the back of your head. So as you see, I'm combing it the same direction that that front side is going. That's why you get your mirror, you make sure the back of your head is cooperating. But you'll comb the edge into the front side, like how I'm doing right here. I'm combing it into the front side just to connect it. You'll do the same thing for the middle and the third part. You'll connect that middle part to the left side, and then you'll connect that third piece to the middle part. If you see that your waves aren't forming as you're doing this technique, then it's probably because you need to put more pressure down on your comb so they can actually form. Your hair is probably a bit thicker, or it's just not taking the shape. So just put the pressure down on your comb and then the shape should come out.
So now that the hard part, which was the back, is out the way, we back to the front. I part it about right here, like about the same place that I parted this side, but a little bit lower, not too much hair. Alright, again, same like the other side. Come forward, do a C going back. Make it as big or as little as you want it. Then come down, C going forward. Then go back, C going back. I put one little hair out because I'm going to do a little edge thing there as well, like I did when I was first doing this side. But let's get this phone for my hair dry out. Well, our hair, because I assume you're doing it too. So for the top, we're going to, it's not going to be like this, it's going to be coming forward. So I'm just gonna swoop. And what people like about finger waves, they like the way it comes down on your face. So make sure you shape it to your face. And then we're gonna connect our front part to this side. So make sure when you're doing it back and forth, it comes back or forth to whichever way that initial wave is going, if that makes sense. Alrighty, now get this in the front. All right, finger waves on deck. I hope y'all enjoyed that video of how I did my finger waves. I hope it was very informative. I hope y'all was able to grasp what I was trying to say, because I was trying to make it as easy for y'all to understand as possible. So I hope y'all got it down good. Stay tuned for the next videos. If you want to know where I got these lashes from, stay tuned for that video I drop on these lashes. It will be titled ZQ Beauty or something of that nature, but I got it from ZQ Beauty. So that's that on that. Black owned, shop black owned, sis. Okay, everything came out cute. I'm really happy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but don't forget to follow my social media: Twitter at Kim Swab, Instagram at Kim Swab. I recently made a Snapchat, the name is Kim Swab, YouTube Kim Swab. But like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.